Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the UI design for the Gravyfy website, which I've created using Figma. In this video, you'll get to see the visual design of the website, including the layout, typography, color scheme, and other design elements. If you like the UI design and want to learn how to create a specific animation or effect used in the website, please let me know in the comments section below. I'd be happy to create a separate tutorial video for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.